In this video, I'll guide you through how to target chiropractors with Facebook ads. If your business offers products or services designed for chiropractic clinics or professionals, creating a targeted audience can help your ads reach the right people instead of a general audience. Facebook Ads Manager makes this process fairly straightforward, although it's important to understand that Facebook has been moving toward more automated audience targeting with its Advantage Plus features. To get started, open Facebook Ads Manager and go to the main dashboard. On the left side, select the Audiences section. Then choose the option to create a saved audience. This allows you to build an audience that can be reused in future advertising campaigns, saving you time whenever you launch new ads. Begin by giving your audience a clear and descriptive name. After that, select the location you want to target. For example, if your offer is only available to chiropractic offices in a particular state or region, choose that location so your ads are shown only where they are relevant. If needed, you can also adjust the language setting to match the language used in your advertisements. You'll also notice that Facebook automatically encourages the use of Advantage Plus Audience. This feature uses Facebook's algorithm to expand and optimize your audience automatically. If you prefer to manually define your audience, switch to the Advantage Plus view and then return to the original audience options. This will make the detailed targeting section available so you can enter your own targeting criteria. In detailed targeting, begin adding keywords and categories related to chiropractors. Examples include chiropractor, chiropractic care, chiropractic adjustment, sports chiropractor, pediatric chiropractor, wellness chiropractor, and other relevant professional titles or specialties. Continue adding related targeting options that best match the audience you're trying to reach. As you build your audience, keep an eye on the estimated audience size displayed in Ads Manager. If the audience is too small, continue adding additional relevant interests or professional categories until you reach a size that makes sense for your campaign. A larger but still focused audience usually provides Facebook with more opportunities to optimize ad delivery while keeping your targeting relevant. Once you're satisfied with your audience, click Create Saved Audience. Your custom audience is now ready to use and will be available whenever you create a new Facebook advertising campaign. As Facebook continues to rely more heavily on AI-powered targeting, your ad creative becomes increasingly important. Make sure your headline, ad copy, images, and videos clearly speak to chiropractors and chiropractic practices. Doing so gives Facebook's algorithm stronger signals about who your ideal audience is, helping your ads reach the professionals most likely to be interested in your offer.